Hello guys, welcome to the first video in Android application development using Kotlin. This video is an introduction to Android app development using Kotlin. Also, you can learn about why we need to use Kotlin over Java for Android application development. We can start the presentation. Kotlin is a statically typed JVM based language developed by JetBain. JetBain is the same company who developed Android Studio for Android application development. If you are a Java developer, then you can easily learn Kotlin. Kotlin allows Android developers to remove significant amount of boilerplate codes. At Google I/O 2017, Google announced Kotlin as an official language for Android app development. You can still use Java as an official language for app development. From Android Studio version 3.0 or above, Kotlin is packed with Android Studio. Now we can learn about what are the advantages of Kotlin over Java for Android app development. First one is Kotlin is more concise than Java. You can make solutions in fewer lines of reliable codes with very less bugs and crashes. By using Kotlin, you can avoid many boilerplate codes from your app. Second one is Kotlin is null safe. One of the main challenges of Android Java developers is to manage and fix the null pointer exceptions. If you use Kotlin, you are almost free from null pointer exceptions. Kotlin codes are null safe. Kotlin improve performance. Kotlin helps us to improve your app performance because Kotlin uses fewer lines of codes than Java for your app business logic. Kotlin is more expressive. You can write more logics with less code. Kotlin uses extension functions. You can extend any class with new features even if you don't have access to the source code of that class. Kotlin is interoperable. You can use any libraries and codes written in Java because Kotlin is developed in such a way that it is highly interoperable with Java. Kotlin is a functional language. Kotlin is an object-oriented programming language with many functional programming concepts such as lambda expressions to solve problems in an easier way. These are some of the advantages of Kotlin over Java.